Whatsapp, learn Quran. The best amongst you is he who learns the Quran and teaches it. Learn to recite the Quran from the comfort of your home. Yes, you can learn to recite the Quran correctly from Whatsapp. It is necessary for every Muslim to recite the Holy Quran correctly. For this, we have come up with an idea that can help everyone to learn to recite the Holy Quran accurately from anywhere. Here's how it works. Save the number. Open your WhatsApp account. Tap on the recording feature. Send a voice note of your tilawa, that is the recitation, beginning with Surah Al-Fatiha. Note, to learn Quran from beginning, just type learn and send. Learn Quran team will then respond to your notes with the correct tilawa and will send you per day a lesson. Note, your privacy is very important to us. Committed to ensuring that your privacy is protected. Your number will not be shared with anyone or added to any group for any reason whatsoever. It is our sincere and heartily request to share this video and guide people who have not been able to learn the Quran. We humbly request you not to delay and seize this golden opportunity, so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all to the one straight path. Ameen, summa ameen.